How to recover deleted stories in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the gear icon or your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select on the gear icon. That will lead you to settings and privacy. Now simply scroll down and at the very bottom you can see the option of scroll down and here you can see the option of activity log, or rather what you can simply do is switch up and tap on see more in account center, scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Here select on download your information and then tap on download or transfer information again and select your profile. Tap on next, tap on available information and tap on download the device. So here you can just select the date range from where we want to recover the deleted stories of. So I'm going to select last week, tap on save and here it will create a file for you. So after it gets created, then you can just simply get it downloaded on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.